Welcome back to my daily Leetcode problem. Today will be the 14th day of my commitment. So according to the books from the Atomic Habits, we need 21 days to make our commitments, rounds, and habit. So the Leetcode problem is check if array is sorted or rotated. If I'm not wrong, this is technically much easier problem compared to the yesterday. So we just need to check the given array and have to return the true if array was originally sorted in the non-decreasing order. So what we want to check, if we will check like difference between 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So technically that is originally rotated 2 times, and we can consider that is a sorted array. And we need to check the values that could contain in the array is from 1 to 100, and the length of the array could be 1 to the 100. So let's check the asymmetries together. So 1, 3, 4, and 2. Technically that is not sorted array, and it's quite difficult even if we try to move the one more digit. So in here there is mentioned that an array A is rotated by A's position reset in array B of the same length such that B should be equal to the array of next index of array length. Technically that we could use that as our next index and for every valid index. So yeah, 1, 2, 3 that is sorted. So I think we can keep track like from index 0 to end of the index, and we will keep like how many times we will drop, like 1, 2, 3, we drop 1, 2. So if drop is more than 1, we return the false. If not, we return the true. What I want to do is let's calculate the drops, and as usual I want the variable of the counts, and we'll go through like from index in 0 through count. And what I would like to check is the next index. So if I have to calculate the next in here, maybe I could reference the valuation from here. That could be index plus 1 modulo of count. Why do I need the modulo count? Let's consider we are at the index of the last one, and we would have index like 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we are now at the index 4, and the 4 plus 1 became the 5. So there is no 5 in our array, so we definitely need to do the modulo of 5, which will be 0. So we could be comparing the last with the first one. Technically we are cycling back each other, so that could help us prevent the index out of bound for the array and make the array is fully sorted and rotated. So what I want to do is num of index is greater than the nums of next. So technically we are checking next should be only one time greater than less than to our current index. If yes, we're gonna increment the drop by 1. So before it's all n, if drop is more than 1, we return the false. If not, return the true. Let's try to run locally. I don't know why I keep calling like running the 2, 3 asymmetry as a locally. Anyways, let's try to submit. I'm pretty sure that could be the O of n for our approach, because we are not using any extra variable and any more data structure aside from the traditional for loop. Okay, let's check together, and yes, that is O of n and O of n for the memory, or O of 1 for the memory, since we don't use any extra memory in here. Alright, that's pretty much for it, and let's see in the next one. We are counting the 7 more dates.